What's up guys, Sal here. So we know that Huawei P20 will come with triple camera setup, but we don't know yet as to what functions all these cameras will serve. But Huawei is dropping some pretty big hints in their latest teaser videos. The first, titled Sea Brighter, shows a photographer struggling to light a subject using various lighting equipments while a P20 user uses their phone without any issue. The other, titled Sea Closer, seems to tease the phone's ability to zoom without having to switch lenses like you would on a DSLR. Neat trick, both we have seen before but never on the same camera. That is, if you exclude the Galaxy S9 Plus, which features a variable aperture lens and secondary zoom camera. So I imagine the P20 will feature a standard RGB plus monochrome camera like on the Mate 10 Pro, with the third lens adding an extra zoom functions that's also popular these days. The P20 Lite will be Huawei's most affordable model among the three smartphones, and now we get a clearer view of the device thanks to fresh leaks in the form of live hands-on videos. As you can see, the P20 Lite will get a glass back with a shimmering effect like the Honor 8's rear glass panel. Unlike the higher spec P20 and P20 Pro, the lens will not carry the Leica branding and it has an aperture of f2.2. It's worth noting that the P20 Lite is the first Lite smartphone of the P series to carry a dual camera setup. Over at the front, you'll find a notch which is available across the entire P20 range. It's smaller than the iPhone X, leaving just enough space for a front-facing camera, an earpiece, and what appears to be a proximity sensor. Let's not forget that all the new P20 Trio apparently comes with a notch at the top where the company may be housing all sorts of front camera shenanigans. But let's wait for March 27th before we draw too many conclusions. That said, let me know your thoughts on this and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.